Charles 2-4, give me, show me out with 1, Cypress and Grant.
Charles 2-4.
Hey, can I stop you real quick, bud? Can you come here, please? Yeah. Come here, bud. Can you get your hands in your pocket? Come here. I do, you're jaywalking. You're jaywalking back here. Okay, maybe you look both ways. Okay. Okay, stop. Okay, stop right now. Stop right now before I take you to the ground. If you do not stop right now, I will take you to the ground. Stop. Yeah, I got one off this subject. Get down on the ground now. Get down on the ground now. So wait, get down on the ground now.
This is right here
Get down on the ground.
in the Del Paso Heights. Nephew, just listen. No, you got to stay right here. You can't. You can't. Hey, hey, hey! Why you doing him like that? Wait, Alexis. Hey, Alexis, why?
I'm going right here, Naomi. Get out.
Oh my God.
You can't be crazy.
Hey, why you beating him like that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. He beating him like that. Oh Jesus. I've seen this, Lord. Oh, yeah, he's breaking his arm. Oh my God, why'd you take him down like that? Oh my God. No, that was wrong. He just got off work. Why did you take him down like that though, sir? That wasn't right. I got that. He took him down like that though. For real. Oh my God. For no reason. Oh my God. Did you see that? Girl, I seen that. No, wait, Alexis. They can't. He just got off work. And that policeman was harassing him. Look at all of this. Look at all this. He beat him up for no reason.
My soul is alive. You can't kill my pride. You can't kill my soul. No nothing. You don't know who you fucking with. For real.
Oh my God, that was crazy. Yes, he does. Yeah. Yep, I seen that. I got that. For real, on everything I got that. And he didn't have nothing on him though. Nothing.
Jaywalking. We would stop. I live both ways. There's no cars in the street. I'm a grown-ass man. I know how to fuck.
He walking.
They've been telling me ever since since first grade, look both ways when you cross the street. I don't give a fuck about jaywalking. I don't give a fuck about none of that shit. I've been having a hard-ass week. Then he's gonna leave me the fuck alone. I'm tired. Leave me alone. Are you gonna provide me with houses? Are you gonna give me a better job? That's all right. No, you're not. Stop pushing my arm, bro. Stop pushing my arm.
He was beating the mess out of him.
All right, bro. All right. Okay. All right. All right. On my mama, bro. Y'all think y'all tough, man? Y'all think y'all tough? Y'all think y'all look like my shit right? I don't give a fuck. I didn't do shit. You know how many people walk that street every day? You know how many people cross that street every day? I ain't the first one. Now watch out, man. Fuck off of me. Yeah, we're gonna be landing again. A little bit more detail. Yeah. Now what's up? Where my earring at? Stop, man. That shit hurt. You break my shit, bro. You gonna be hearing from my lawyer. I didn't have a rough ass week, y'all niggas fucking with me. My bitch done kicked me out. Come on, man. I don't got time for none of this shit, man. It's the reason why motherfuckers don't want to talk.
Stop moving.
Man, stop twisting my arm. Can you let go of my wrist? Can you let go of my wrist?
Not at this moment, sir.
Hey, you already got me in handcuffs. What the fuck can I do? I'm already in handcuffs. What the fuck can I do? Let go of my wrist or you break my shit. If you break my shit, it's gonna be a fucking problem.
I couldn't get that one to open. Okay. Not open the door.
Y'all talking my motherfucking ass. Matter of fact, I'm ready to die. Fuck that. Man, stop squeezing my shit, bruh. My mama. You can take the gun and you can shoot me in my head right now. Because I'm tired of living. I'm tired of living.
Okay. Just keep your feet in.
I'm tired of living. I've been through too much shit already. And I'm just tired of it. I'm tired, really. Fuck you! Police! Fuck you! Fuck you! I've been through too much shit! Too much shit to be going through this shit! I'm tired of all this shit, man! Leave me the fuck alone! I just got off work, I've been having a hard-ass week! What the fuck part of that don't you understand? Alright, stop! I can't breathe.
Go around the other one. His legs might be.
Okay, what are you doing? Okay.
You need to take a deep breath, dude.
I can't
Change
breathe.
your attitude.
I can't
Change your attitude and calm down. You understand?
Alright, you let me go.
Alright, we're going to let you go in a sec, and we're going to give you a minute to cool down, but
I can't.
right now you're threatening our safety.
How the fuck am I
Alright,
threatening
hold
your
a
safety
second.
when I'm in handcuffs? That's what I'm saying. So what? I'm
That's
angry.
vandalism.
I'm angry.
City property.
Y'all harassing me. Y'all provoked me. Y'all harassing me. How the fuck is that? How?
Feed him. Feed him, bud. Hey guys, that's not only good for this is your policy back to park. You look to the other side and bend them over like that. Fine. Canvas?
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
I'll be upstairs when you guys mind.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Did it come up this way?
So right here in the intersection.
What the fuck? Why? Leave me alone. I'm so tired of this shit, man. That's what it go. I don't even have no fucking home, man. I don't even got no home to go to. Like, this shit is bullshit. I hate my life. I hate my life.
Yeah, I'm good. I'll start him crossing the street here. Cars are still going. He's on the middle street. Cars are still going. Cars are still 93. And,
Pussy ass
so I
niggas.
talked to him.
Bitch ass
He was talking,
niggas.
kept walking. And so,
You have the crossover right here.
yeah, I mean, there's this as well. Like, he was out on the road. 4 cars were actually still going where they had the right of way. So I just wanted to talk to him. He kept walking. Fuck you. And then he finally brought up to me right over here. And started coming with it like that. So I finally just got hands on with it and started pulling away from him. Got me on the ground. And he sort of like trying to push me. So I started laying blows to try to get his arms because he wouldn't give me his arms. And then I was able to finally get his cuffs. When he was speed, he came up. That's serious.
On your face.
No taser, no time.
No, just a couple punches. Yeah, no taser, nothing.
Alright, you want to get him ID?
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you got the right thing. Your status?
Y'all got my earring on the ground.
Alright, give me a second.
Somebody gonna reimburse me for my shit?
What do you need?
I need $100 right now, straight up.
Okay. Well, if you're gonna keep acting like that, I'm not gonna help you.
Okay, well, I'm asking you a question.
And I just told you I'll go get it for you in a minute.
It's damaged already. You ain't even gonna be able to find it. It's damaged. You done fucked up my shit.
Go for 2-4.
Hey, your earring's on the head. Just copy. Confirm you're back on 16.
Hey, Ephraim.
What the fuck? Hell, I'm mad right now. You don't even know how fucking pissed off I am right now. This shit is pissing me off. First off, sir, what was your problem cause you arrested me? What was your problem cause pulling me over? Huh?